Meet the innovative team behind the University Revolution Teaching Factory, or URTF, a groundbreaking smart manufacturing system designed to transform education and research in 3D printing. Developed at University Malaysia Perlis, UNIMAP, this project is made possible through the support of our esteemed collaborators, including ORS Technologies and Altair Engineering. With their partnership, we are pushing the boundaries of additive manufacturing, bringing Industry 4.0 solutions into the academic and industrial landscape. Traditional 3D printing methods come with several limitations that slow down efficiency and increase operational costs. In most cases, users need to manually transfer print files via USB or direct cable connections, which is time-consuming and inconvenient, especially in larger-scale operations. Additionally, human supervision is required at every stage, from starting a print job to monitoring its progress and eventually removing the finished part. This not only limits productivity, but also increases the chances of human error.